All right, good evening. I wanted to take a quick some of the things we've seen in 8.1 and 8.2, the stuff that'll be on next week's quiz. Let's take a look at using the Pythagorean Theorem to find missing side lengths. In this case, this first one over here, I want to find x. And so our basic Pythagorean Theorem is our a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and B are my two legs. It really doesn't matter which one I use first. So let's just call this 15 squared plus 8 squared is going to equal our c squared, which in this case is our value of x. And so we're going to end up with 225 plus 64 is going to equal our x squared. When I combine that together, I get 289 equals x squared. To undo a square, take the square root of both sides. So we'll see in this case that our x is going to equal 17. So our missing side length there is 17. Second piece we want to take a look at is what if I don't have c as my unknown? So in this case, my a or b is actually going to be the unknown value. So we can say that x squared plus my b squared, we're going to call is 5, is going to equal c squared. C is always your longest leg, and it's always the hypotenuse. So in this case, we get x squared plus 25 is going to equal 144. Subtract 25 from both sides, so x squared is going to equal 119. And then we'll take the square root of both sides again, so x is going to equal the square root of 119. If it's able to be simplified, go ahead and simplify that radical. If it's not, go ahead and leave it in that exact radical form. Okay, next one we're going to look at is the 45, 45, 90.